how to be an MC.
If you're looking for the answer, you gotta go find it out yourself. If these niggas gonna tell you shit, they'll watch you drown. What is pain, or is it just a stupid question? Is that a stupid question? What is happiness? Is God teaching me a lesson? Is he blessing me? Is he blessing me? Or is he testing me? I need the recipe. Damn, what is the recipe? 50% of hope, now I'm looking for the rest of me. Loyalty is a must. Did I let it get the best of me? Did it make a mess of me? How can I ask that? Looking through my rear view mirror like what a cash at. Money over bitches and I never look past that. That's like telling your left hand man where your stash at, or going to the dice game trying to ask back. I'ma risk it all cause I plan the ball. Peter paid Paul, then he laid them off. Working 9 to 5, trying to survive, and that little bit of paper that was keeping him alive. Started drinking on the liquor, he was killing off his pride. Yeah. No more can he survive. No more can he survive. But he tried, but he couldn't fight the pain that was inside. So he tried to press rewind. Then go back to the past, put that pistol to his head, for you know that he was dead. It's too late. All my life I had to fight, then I fought again. The age of 18, they sent me to the fucking pen. I put these words together so nigga listen up. That's a man till he take the stand to give you up. It's a cold, cold world out here, man. You gotta depend on yourself, can't depend on nobody else. Like the old head say, you can bring the horse to the pond, but you can't make it drink. You gotta show that nigga his own way. The reality show, nigga.